Guys, in this video, we're going to be taking a look at Decentraland Mana token, as it is seeing a wonderful, wonderful breakout right now, based on some news that we're also going to be talking about. So you definitely want to stick around so that you don't miss anything. Watch the video all the way through, and definitely if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join the community here. We're growing fast, guys. Thank you so much. Go ahead and smash the like button if you would on the way in. It really helps out a lot. So like I said, guys, we will be going over the price action for Mana here in just a second. But first, I do want to take a look at the news related to this pump. So let's dive in. So I'm sure you've heard the news. Facebook has changed its company name to Meta and plans to add support for NFTs. Now, this will not change the name of the Facebook social media app. It will still be Facebook, but the umbrella company that hosts Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram will be rebranded as Meta. And some key takeaways from this article, guys. Facebook is rebranding to Meta, changing its company name, but retaining the name Facebook for its flagship social media platform, like I just mentioned. Zuckerberg has said that the company is moving towards becoming Metaverse first instead of Facebook first. The company's Metaverse plans include features such as NFTs, augmented reality, and more. And it says here that the company's shares are set to begin trading under the new ticker MVRS on December 1st. The article goes on to say that in Facebook's Connect event, Mark Zuckerberg announced that Facebook would change its company name to Meta, reflecting Zuckerberg's focus on the metaverse, which can be thought of as a virtual world that is a successor to the mobile internet. Zuckerberg has said he wants the metaverse to feel like you're right there with another person. So guys, we've all kind of expected this kind of thing to be coming. As technology advances, we've really expected this. In addition to a new ticker symbol, Facebook has replaced the thumbs up at its headquarters with a blue infinity sign. On the name change, Zuckerberg said, "Right now, our brand is so tightly linked to one product that it can't possibly represent everything that we're doing today, let alone in the future." At Facebook's virtual and augmented reality live stream, Zuckerberg revealed more information about what the metaverse would entail, in addition to showing a demo video of the virtual world. The company is already building and testing a social platform for the metaverse called Horizon, and has for years developed VR for its Oculus headsets. Oculus is set to be rebranded as a Meta product going forward as well. In Monday's earnings call, Zuckerberg set expectations on Meta's metaverse timeline, saying it likely would not be much of a real business story until later in this decade. He added, "I view this work as critical to our mission because delivering a sense of presence that's the holy grail of online experiences." And Zuckerberg also shared some details about the metaverse he envisions. There are plans to allow for people to be able to make calls via VR, as well as to use apps like Slack and Instagram. Other plans include making Horizon more social, allowing friends to gather, as well as plans for a virtual marketplace with virtual goods, example NFTs, that users can buy, sell, and exchange. So you'll be able to actually go and virtually buy your NFTs in a virtual reality experience. And Facebook plans to offer hand and body tracking to its Spark augmented reality developer tools. Facebook has been investing money and labor into its metaverse all year. In Monday's call, the company said its overall operating profits would decrease by roughly $10 billion for 2021 due to investments in its VR and AR unit. As for back as March, nearly 20% of Facebook's employees reportedly already worked on virtual and augmented reality. Earlier this month, Facebook announced plans to hire 10,000 people in the EU to work on its metaverse. Only 2 days after that, it announced its Novi crypto wallet without Diem for now, only to immediately be met with stiff resistance from the U.S. Senate Banking Committee. And guys, this news is a big reason why you see these tokens like Engine and Decentraland pumping right now, guys. As you've seen just a second ago, we are seeing a beautiful, beautiful pump for Decentraland. So stick around because we will be doing some analysis on the chart for Mana and coming up with a possible price prediction for this breakout. Crypto investors are rushing to buy into the metaverse. Several metaverse-focused crypto projects have rallied following Facebook's rebranding announcement. The big tech giant revealed it would be changing its name to Meta. Our mission remains the same. It's still about bringing people together, says Mark Zuckerberg. And while several projects have rallied on the news, the virtual world Decentraland is currently leading the charge with the game's Mana token rising more than 46% since the announcement. Other metaverse and NFT game projects have also put in significant gains. Axie Infinity, the play-to-earn blockchain game that took the crypto space by storm this summer, initially rose over 17% before a slight cool-off. Another NFT gaming project, Engine, has also experienced a bump, gaining over 11%. Engine is a play-to-earn gaming platform that lets users mint their in-game items on Ethereum and transfer them between the platform's games in what the company calls the multiverse. And The Sandbox, a Minecraft-style mobile metaverse game, has also benefited from Facebook's announcement. The game's Sand token is up 23% today, extending its week-long rally. The metaverse refers to a future iteration of the internet, where shared virtual spaces are linked together, forming a perceived virtual universe where users can meet, play games, and socialize. So next, let's go ahead and dive on into the price action for Mana. So guys, I do have Mana on the daily chart. You can see right now, we have experienced a massive breakout for Decentraland, or Mana token. So what we're going to do is just eyeball this price prediction. I've already had this in here, guys. I actually talked about this in last night's live stream. I'm pretty sure that I covered this in one of our live streams when someone asked me about Mana. And I put in this wedge pattern. This was before we broke out, guys. We put this target in here well before we actually broke out of this pattern. It was during a live stream. If any of you guys possibly remember this, please drop a comment in the comment section to let us know in the comment section about this if you remember the live stream we did where we were talking about Mana. But basically, Mana on the daily chart has been forming a nice descending wedge pattern here. And, trading out in between support and resistance levels. And we broke out absolutely perfectly above this downtrend resistance. And this measured move is a measurement of the width of this pattern, guys, from the top to the bottom there. And if we take it over here to our current breakout point, guys, because we have already broken out, we actually broke above some critical resistance too at about $1.20. So Decentraland absolutely pumping like crazy right now, guys. This measured move price prediction target for Mana, guys, is going to get you up here around $2, guys. Anywhere around $2 to $2.10 would be the target here for this breakout, in my opinion. As always, not financial or investment advice, guys. Disclaimer down below on the screen. Invest at your own risk and do your own research. But guys, with this news, with Facebook, and with everything else going on right now in the space, this is beautiful, and I do expect this target to be reached. The only thing I would like to point out is the possible resistance from our previous high. Up here around these candle closes, it's at about $1.60, approximately $1.58 to $1.60. That could play as possible resistance. We're currently trading at $1.32. So just be wary of that possible resistance coming up there near $1.58 to $1.60. But overall, I expect this target for Mana to be reached. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to check out averagejoecrypto.io. We do have our own meme coin project, community-driven project here at the channel that is available on Uniswap, guys. Check it out, averagejoecrypto.io. Also, guys, don't forget to follow me on Twitter at avrgjoecrypto. Definitely follow me on Twitter, guys. Let's get the Twitter following up. We got about 127 followers on Twitter. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button here on YouTube if you are new to the channel. Growing community, just past 6K subscribers, working towards 7K subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Hope you enjoyed the video. Smash the like button on the way out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.